Hi you guys, so it is your girl Lyric here, and today I'm chilling, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the foreign exchange market. Okay, I get a lot of people in my DM saying what is Forex, a lot of people that interact with the post that I put on my story just asking people why aren't you trading, and a lot of people say, oh, it sounds complicated and things like that. Guys, I just want you to know that you are me and I am you, because your girl hates math, and I knew about Forex over a year ago and I still never joined. And so, first and foremost, if you have not went to my page and watched my previous Forex video where I was basically explaining Forex, I explained what it is and how it works. If you have not watched that video, your first step should definitely be to go watch that video, okay? Because today's video, I'm not going to go too deep into it. However, I did give you guys a quick little foreign exchange market, F-O-R-E-X. That's where the name Forex comes from, you guys, okay? So today I'm going to just talk to you guys about, since you know what Forex is already, you kind of watch my stories a little bit, but on my page you know how it works. I'm going to give you guys an example of how you make money in the market without knowing anything about the market, because of the fact that when you join my team, you get access to what my team has to offer, which most popular is signals. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be racing with my hand because who got time? I ain't got time. Alright, so signals. Signals are basically things that are put into the chat, and it's what a lot of people refer to as the copy and paste method. So if you've ever heard of the copy and paste method in Forex, then this is exactly what we're talking about. So let's say you're in the group chat and we send out a notification for a trade, and it looks like this. And I'm just making up these numbers off the top of my head, guys. Alright, so we're having a great day in the trading world, and boom, we get a notification for this trade, okay? So you're looking at your phone and this pops up across your notification screen. So, first and foremost, you need to understand exactly what you're trading. USD/JPY is a currency pair. Forex is trading currency pairs. That's what you're trading for profit, okay? So what this is a USD/JPY. So basically we're going to trade the United States dollar for the Japanese yen. This is a market execution. Once you guys dive into Forex and you become a part and you start studying, something like this is really simple. There's a couple of different options, only about 4. So you have buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, and then you have market execution. So this one is telling you that it's a market execution. SL is short for stop loss. Stop loss basically is the amount of money that you're willing to risk in order to hit TP, which is take profit. So say, for example, if you have a $100 account, you don't want to risk $50 to only make $20. No, because that doesn't make any sense. So this is just saying, hey people, I'm willing to risk $2 in order to make $20. And if it goes above, if it drops below my $2 limit that I'm willing to risk, take me out. I lose my $2, I'll wait for the next trade. I'm not going to keep pushing it trying to hit this, okay? That's called leveraging, something you'll also learn about whenever you become a part of Forex. All right, so these are your take profits. Take profits are the amount that you think the market is going to make you. I'll give an explanation of that as well. So you have TP1, TP2, and TP3. As a beginner, you should always be going for TP1 because at this point you don't really know what you're doing, and TP2 and TP3 are higher risk. So we're just going to stick with our TP1, and we're going to remember to always use our stop loss, okay? So now that we have these numbers, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to explain to you exactly what the market would look like if you actually knew how to do this on your own, okay? So, our take profit was, what was it? All right, that was our take profit. Our stop loss stop loss. Okay? So, what the market is going to do is something like this. Excuse my ugly candles, you guys. Boom, hit take profit. Okay, so this is our take profit. This is our candle that hit our goal. All right, so basically, if you were a master trader, which joining IML and studying is what's going to help you become a master trader, you would be able to look at this, and basically this is what we're doing, is analyzing markets that look like this. Okay, so as you can see, our trade started here and it ended up hitting our take profit. It never hit our stop loss. This candle hit our take profit. If any of these candles had came down and hit our stop loss, we would have got kicked out of this trade because we would have lost. We would have stopped ourselves before we get to this point, because we can't risk that amount, or anything could happen in the market. But that's a little bit more advanced for you. So basically what happened was our trade started going up, it dropped a little bit, and it went up again. The thing about the market is it's always fluctuating, it's always going up and down. So there's not always a guarantee that whenever you get into a trade, it's going to be a perfect trade. The market doesn't work like that. There are no perfect people. Just remember, there's also no perfect Forex market. Okay, so it went up, it dropped, and it came back up, and it hit our take profit. So basically, let's say this trade went up 50 pips. 50 pips. This trade hit our take profit for 50 pips. I know y'all are like, what even is a pip? What even is that? I don't even know what that is. I'm going to explain it to you guys. Okay? I'm going to have to wash my hands, baby, because... Okay? All right, so pips. Pips are how we measure our market. Pips are how we make our money. Pips make us happy, okay? So, this is an example of 50 pips. All right, so this is an example of 50 pips. So let's say our trade that we just presented hit take profit for 50 pips. So let's say you have a smaller account. You have a $20 account or a $30 account. You can't afford to risk that much, so you only popped 1 cent. So you put in a 1 cent, a 0.01, and you made $5 off of that trade because it went up 50 cents and you risked 1 cent, okay? Let's say that you have a bigger account. Let's say you have a $100 account, or let's say a $200 account, because I really don't even suggest this on $100 accounts. So let's say you have a $200 account and you went in for a 0.10. You just made $50. Do that 3 more times this week. That's somebody's car note or something. Maybe not car note, but that's definitely somebody's light bill, okay? All right, let's say that you have a $1,000 account and you popped a standard. $1, you risked $1. Not technically, because everything is measured in pips, but you just made $500. Do that 3 more times this week. And you just made people's paycheck before taxes, okay? In 3 days. So this is an example of what Forex is, and is an example of what we are doing in the market. This is also an example of how you can make money without knowing anything about Forex, because all you do is get a signal and you copy and paste it into your phone. So like I said, this is what a lot of people describe as the copy and paste method, and it most definitely works. As you can see, all you did was look at a trade, tap it into your phone, and boom, you made 50 pips. You made $500 in 1 day. So this is what Forex is. I know that a lot of people think that it's hard or that it's difficult and it's something that you just can't do. I get it. When I first was looking at people that did Forex, I used to be like, child, I don't know how they're doing that. Never thought it was something that I could do. And here I am telling you guys about this. I know enough about this to be able to get on here, right on a whiteboard, and tell you guys about something that I do to make money. There is definitely a way that you can make money without knowing a lick of anything other than copying and pasting, okay? My team actually threw out 12 trades last week. We only lost 2, and those 12 trades were 2,000 pips. I just explained to you guys what a pip is. So, long story short, you don't have to be a master trader. You don't have to do this by yourself. If you have any other questions, shoot me a DM, you guys. Look at my page a little bit more if you just need a little bit more encouragement. Go watch that What is Forex video because I explained it a little bit better. But go ahead, hop into this market. It's really easy. It's not something that everybody will just click with, but it is something that you can make money while you learn, okay? So if you hop in here and it's not something that you figure out in a week, 2 weeks, or even a month, you still can be profitable off of things like signals, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you. I hope this helped debunk a lot of people that feels like Forex is too hard, and I love you.